This is the unboxing of the Acer, or Acer, I like Acer. Acer Nitro XZ0, or XZ0 series gaming monitor, apparently. Don't tell me what to do with my monitor. And the model number is XZ270U, if you want to get specific. Pbmiiphx. By the way, this is purely an unboxing. I will do a review later. Alright, so you already seen the front. Let's see the features over here. Oh, there's the front. I guess we're looking at the back. Looks the same to me. Front 27 inches. WQHD. Hooded. Mercury free. That's good. It's curved. 16 to 9. 1 millisecond. PBR. 165 hertz. Blue shield. Ergo stand. Okay, I guess all these things you should probably already know when you buy this thing. What we got on the side here? Same information. Oh, this is side up. It's good for drinking wine. It's good to do in the rain. Johnny 5 is not alive. Here you can see this tag information. Okay, it's got some specific instructions on the top for unboxing. It says, first, you get a box. 2, make a hole in the box. 3, I have no idea. Your guess is as good as mine. Something. And then 4, you got a monitor. And then 5, your monitor is assembled. So I'm going to try to follow those instructions. Okay, I think I'm on to step 2 now. Okay. So on top it looks like the stand and some really nice styrofoam. This side up. We got a bag of cables. This looks like a hidden cable. That's HDMI. Comes with some screws. This empty bag. And a user guide. Guess this is warranty information. Yep, 3-year limited warranty. User guide. Oh, I just read all that information. I'm pretty fast. That's how I read books. Seems like I'm doing something wrong here. Definitely doing something wrong. Okay. Yeah, that was important. Yeah. I think there's something about those instructions. Not very clear. You know, the whole standing the box up. Seems like it'd be better to just stand the box on its side and slide it out. But, you know, instructions. The important part is the monitor. Got some ports, some warnings. Why they put them on the back? And the front. Ooh la la. So here's the curvature of the monitor here. Got it on curving. Do you want to see how curved this is? Rock and roll. Okay. The thing that made a bunch of noise earlier is the stand. Only mildly broken, so that's good. Oh, this thing broke off. Shoddy material. I think this is like a cable, some sort of cable managing thing. Yeah, that's what that was. So there goes that. And let's see what else is in the box. There's a secret in there. So it's got power plug. I'm not too happy about having a brick, because the hard part is always figuring out where to put this thing. And it's not like these things are, it didn't come with any screw holes to mount, so yeah, that's going to be fun. It looks like everything. Consider this unboxed. Have fun with this thing.